Peace. Hello guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you for subscribing. This is how I'm going to make my periodic paint plenty. I've added water. I've added quarter spoon of cardamom, and this is cinnamon. My remedy is ready right now, guys. I'm going to mix my remedy with lemon juice. I'm going to squeeze my lemon. Thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you for subscribing. Those ones who have not yet subscribed, please kindly subscribe on my YouTube channel, like, comment, press the notification bell, and don't miss out my next video. I love you so much, guys. Peace.